Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel mootechie. It's great to continue our journey through dairy engineering. This is class 5 in unit 4, where we will build directly upon the packaging systems we discussed last time, now focusing on larger scale solutions and key industry players. We begin today with the topic of aseptic bulk packaging. This method is used for storing and transporting large volumes of product and is classified into three main types: bag-in-box, bag-in-drum, and bag-in-bin systems. A prominent example in this field is the company Scholle, with their product line known as SUREFILL. This system is a classic example of a bag-in-box solution designed to do more with efficient, large-volume packaging. The bag-in-box concept can also be applied to drums, and one specific machine used for this purpose is the PTAF, which stands for Pilot Aseptic Filler. This equipment is used for smaller scale or trial production runs. Now let's look at some of the leading global companies in the aseptic packaging industry. Major players include Tetra Pak, Amcor, DuPont, and Reynolds. These companies are pioneers in developing packaging technology. The list of aseptic packaging companies is extensive. It includes names like Scholle Packaging, Printpack, Krones, Greatview, Parrish, DS Smith Packaging, Aseptic Solutions USA, Tetra SIG Combibloc, Goglio, Bosch Packaging, and Printpack. Each of these companies contributes unique solutions to the market. Focusing on the Indian market, there are also key aseptic packaging companies. One notable example is the brand Freshness Preserved from the house of Welex. Another significant player operating in India is Scholle IPN, which provides its advanced bulk packaging systems. Let's now discuss the significant advantages of using aseptic packaging. One major benefit is that a great variety of package types and sizes can be used. Compared to other heat-treated products, a higher quality is often achieved because the heat transfer during sterilization is much faster. The overall process is also faster. A variety of heat processes can be applied to the same package type, and it allows for the use of packaging materials that are less heat-resistant than those required for traditional canning. However, there are also some disadvantages to consider. The method can currently only be applied to a relatively limited number of fluid foods. If the fluid contains solid pieces, those pieces typically must be smaller than 25 mm, though recent technological developments are allowing for the aseptic processing of such suspensions. Aseptic packaging requires a relatively high initial investment in equipment. It also demands high safety measures to maintain sterility. Finally, achieving a successful process requires high coordination and synchronization of all processing steps, from sterilization to filling and sealing. Thank you for joining this session on aseptic bulk packaging and the industry landscape. We have covered the different systems, key companies, and the important pros and cons of this technology. Understanding these factors is crucial for making informed decisions in dairy and food processing. Author, mootechie.